What should you watch before the market opens this week? These earnings could set the tone for tech, finance, and consumer stocks. Wall Street is bracing for results from Netflix, Intel, Capital One, and McCormick. These updates will shape expectations and may nudge portfolios in new directions. Strong numbers can lift confidence. Weak ones can raise fresh questions about growth and resilience. Start with Netflix. Subscriber growth and revenue will be the headline drivers. In a crowded streaming market, even small shifts in signups or churn can move the stock and ripple across the broader tech space. Watch for any clues about content strategy, pricing power, and international momentum, because those signals often matter more than one quarter's profit. Intel's report will shed light on the chip cycle. Investors want to see progress on supply chain normalization and efforts to win back market share. Demand for semiconductors remains tied to data centers, PCs, and autos. If Intel shows traction on execution and efficiency, it can support sentiment across the semiconductor group. If guidance is cautious, it may imply a slower recovery path for hardware and related suppliers. Capital One will offer a window into the consumer. Trends in spending, loan growth, and credit quality are key. Shifts in delinquencies or charge-offs help investors gauge household balance sheets. In a landscape shaped by inflation and rate moves, banks' results can reveal how resilient demand really is. McCormick brings a consumer staples angle. Its ability to manage costs, handle supply chain pressures, and pass through pricing without losing volume is a real-time read on everyday demand. That can inform views on food makers, retailers, and broader inflation sensitivity. Earnings do not exist in a vacuum. Inflation data and interest rate expectations will color every reaction. Markets often respond as much to guidance as to the reported numbers. Tone on margins, capital spending, and demand outlooks can drive sector leadership in the weeks ahead. Here's the practical takeaway. Know the dates, but focus on what the results imply for trends you care about: subscriber stickiness, chip demand, consumer credit health, and pricing power. Avoid chasing the first move. Let guidance settle. Revisit your risk, your time horizon, and your diversification across sectors. Stay informed, stay patient, and position with the bigger picture in mind. Read the full article at finlitica.com.